Emma was a dreamer. Ever since she was little, she had wanted to create something beautiful, something that would last forever. She loved painting, but she never finished one. In her small apartment, a white canvas stood by the window. It had been there for months. Every morning, Emma looked at it and said, "Today, I'll start." But every night, she whispered, "Not yet. It's not the right time." She waited for the perfect idea, the perfect light, the perfect moment. But perfection never came. One rainy evening, she sat in front of the empty canvas again. The sound of rain filled the room. She mixed her colors, her hands shaking slightly. "I have to make this one perfect," she thought. Hours passed. She painted, erased, painted again. The sky was too dark. The face was too soft. The shadows were wrong. Frustrated, she dropped her brush. Tears touched the corners of her eyes. Her old friend Jake knocked on the door. He looked at the half-finished painting and said gently, "Emma, this is beautiful." She shook her head. "No, it's not perfect." Jake smiled. Maybe perfect is just another way to say never finished. Emma looked at the painting again. It was messy. The colors didn't blend right, but it was alive, full of her mistakes, her effort, her heart. That night, she signed her name at the bottom. For the first time, she finished something. And when the morning light hit the canvas, she realized something simple. Art doesn't live in perfection. It lives in courage. Thanks for spending this time with me. If this story inspired you or taught you something, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next stories. More stories are on the way. See you in the next one.